The Tesla Optimus Gen 3 humanoid robot has unleashed a wave of excitement globally. Production began in June, and Tesla has now confirmed that the Gen 3 model entered real-world testing at that time, ahead of its anticipated official debut at the major company event in November. This latest advancement is quite remarkable. Optimus Gen 3 can handle between 80 and 100 household tasks every day by learning directly from videos without requiring constant human oversight. The robot's experience includes over 12,000 hours logged in virtual simulations and 3,500 testing hours in controlled settings. Over this duration, it has developed capabilities to recognize kitchenware, organize tools, and even prepare meals from scratch, showing it goes beyond merely assisting. It actively takes initiative. What exactly can Optimus Gen 3 accomplish today? It demonstrates the ability to carry out a wide range of household chores, including cooking. In one recent trial, it managed to prepare a full breakfast in just 15 minutes, washing ingredients, cracking eggs, handling the stove, and plating the meal. Thanks to its advanced AI, the robot anticipates upcoming steps in dynamic environments. For example, if water boils too fast, it lowers the heat automatically. Should an ingredient be misplaced, it identifies and retrieves the correct one without assistance. Aside from cooking, Optimus handles daily cleaning tasks efficiently. Sweeping floors, wiping surfaces, and sorting trash are part of its routine. The battery can endure up to 20 hours on a quick 2.5-hour recharge, allowing it to complete an entire day's work with minimal downtime. Equipped with high-tech sensors and cameras, Optimus can recognize small household items like cups, chopsticks, and plates, handling them delicately to avoid damage. Its multitasking AI continuously evaluates surroundings to boost efficiency and prevent mistakes. Tesla's engineers highlight the robot's dexterity, noting it can automatically adjust grip strength on slippery objects like tomatoes, showcasing impressive situational awareness. The dexterous hands are essential for mastering diverse tasks. Each hand features 22 degrees of freedom, and one arm has 26. These hands adjust force and movement precisely, whether peeling eggs, chopping vegetables, or stirring dough. Mass-producing these hands is reportedly 50 times more complex than creating typical robotic arms for factory use. When placed in a typical family scenario, Optimus can independently open the fridge, select ingredients, cook rice, prepare the main dish, and clean afterward without human intervention. This reflects Tesla's progress toward building robots that genuinely take initiative in everyday life. The goal is clear: to create millions of humanoid robots capable of handling countless tasks around the home. Production aims at scaling up to billions of units globally, potentially making the robot widely accessible, with an estimated price around $20,000 in the future. Elon Musk and his team emphasize Optimus's versatility, stating it can replace human labor in boring, dangerous, or repetitive tasks. Tesla Bot Gen 3 is expected to launch later this year with an extraordinary new design optimized for efficient mass production. Though specific differences from the previous Gen 2 model have not been fully disclosed. The recently shown yellow and black versions with upgraded arms are actually version 2.5, not the true Gen 3. Musk has described the upcoming Gen 3 as sublime, setting high expectations. The Tesla Bot's potential benefits include saving time, energy, and money by taking full control of household management. Musk has also hinted that the robot could create financial opportunities for owners, underscoring the transformative potential beyond mere convenience. Despite enthusiasm, skepticism persists. Some doubt paying $10,000 or even $5,000 for a robot that might turn out to be a limited toy is worthwhile. However, the core appeal is clear: optimizing everyday life. With typical workdays consuming more than 8 hours, coming home to a clean house with a freshly cooked meal prepared by Optimus sounds like a dream becoming reality. This robot is expected to exceed the previous generation's capabilities vastly, potentially handling complex physical tasks with finesse. Tasks like searing a steak without mishaps or even walking a dog in bad weather. Gen 3 marks not just an incremental upgrade, but a complete reinvention. Tesla plans to integrate the Grok AI engine, a conversational model enabling natural language understanding and reasoning, effectively making Optimus more than a command follower. It might also include Starlink connectivity for constant online access, even in remote areas, eliminating dependence on local Wi-Fi. This combination offers a humanoid robot that understands voice instructions, adapts flexibly to surroundings, and maintains connectivity anywhere. The new Gen 3 hands are a breakthrough, employing actuators in the forearm with tendon-like cables for finger movements. This design enables finer control and a range of motions similar to human hands. The hands are water-resistant, significantly expanding the environments where Optimus can operate. Previous models had 11 degrees of freedom in the hands, enough to fold clothes or handle fragile objects carefully. The new design doubles that, broadening the robot's mastery of delicate tasks. For instance, a Tesla video showed Optimus catching a tennis ball with precise coordination of sensors and actuators, a seemingly simple act requiring extreme balance and control. Tesla's mechanical design avoids bulky motors in each finger by channeling force through cables, much like human tendons, resulting in smaller, lighter, and more energy-efficient hands. Each cable has 4 sensors, allowing Optimus to gauge object softness or hardness and adjust its grip accordingly, a capability indispensable for varied household tasks. Tesla stands out in the global humanoid robot race due to its integrated approach combining mechanics, sensors, software, and the Tesla Vision system originally developed for self-driving cars. This allows continuous improvement through software updates, setting Tesla apart from competitors. Initial criticisms suggested some complex movements were teleoperated by humans, casting doubt on autonomous capabilities. Tesla maintains these interventions are temporary, serving as training to enhance machine learning. The robot already walks and balances independently, but mastery of fine motor skills and seamless independence in unpredictable environments remains a work in progress. The AI architecture is borrowed from Tesla's self-driving vehicle systems, adapting the same neural networks that interpret traffic scenes to manage kitchens and retail spaces. Tesla's advantage lies in vast data, sensor integration, and machine learning experience, enabling faster development and cost efficiency compared to newcomers. Failure, however, would mean billions lost in research and damage to Musk's reputation for execution. The question remains, is spending $20,000 on a Tesla robot justified when cheaper alternatives exist? Would consumers invest the price of a new car on a still maturing technology? These are open questions as the technology advances and market expectations evolve. The promise, however, is undeniable. Optimus could redefine how people live, work, and manage their daily lives, making previously unimaginable tasks accessible through robotics.